pensions. Can't get them anymore. Well, what if I told you you can make your own pension and have never-ending income when you retire? Well, in today's video, I'll go over the how-to so that you can create your own pension in retirement. Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to go over how to create your own pension, the amount you need to create that pension, and how you can come about a number to figure out how much pension you actually need. Right? So a pension or an annuity is pretty much a stream of income payments that you buy with one lump sum premium. In this case, you could say we're going to take $1 million, hand it over to this insurance company, and in turn, they're going to pay you X amount of dollars each month for the rest of your life. It's kind of like a reverse life insurance policy. Now, how do we find out what number we need to retire on? What I would suggest is taking anywhere between 47 to 100% of your current income and plugging it in to the annuityfy.com calculator. Let's go ahead and shoot over there and show you exactly how to do that. All right, so in the link down below, you'll see a annuityfy.com link. You can go ahead and follow me along. I'm going to just use myself, a male. My birth date, again, is not this date here, but what I'm doing is I'm finding out what age I'm going to retire at. So if my birthday is 01/02/1954, I want to retire when I'm 57 in 2021. So I'm going to calculate what the payment or what it would take for someone who's 67, because annuities are based off of age, or these immediate annuities anyway are based off of your age. Next step, I would start on my 67th birthday, and we're going to just say that it's coming from savings. And I'm going to solve for my monthly income, and I want my monthly income to be the equivalent of what $100,000 per year income is. So to get that number, you take your annual salary. My annual salary is $100,000, and we're going to divide that by 12. So about $8,333. So I'm going to plug that in here, and I'm going to calculate my quotes. Okay, now we're not done yet. We need to find out what kind of annuity we have. So I want an installment refund annuity with inflation adjustment. Many people say that inflation is going to be anywhere from 0 to 2%. We'll just go with 2% because that is kind of the default for a lot of stuff. The consumer price index, traditionally 2%. Might be lower in the future, but we want to play it safe. Installment refund just pretty much says that if there's any payment left of the initial premium that I put in, it would be paid to a beneficiary of mine until it's all paid off. So for example, if I put in $2 million and I die in 1 year, then the remaining $1.9 million will be paid out to my beneficiary over a period of time, not as a lump sum. All that's correct. Let's go ahead and refresh this quote. All right, so we refresh the quote and we get a premium of $2.330545.9 million. Quite a sum of money. So now that I got that amount of money that I need to create my annuity, you now can make your own pension. Now, how do you save for that? How much do you need to save for that? And of course, what interest rate or where you should invest or save that money to get that final number in the end? Well, that's for another video. We'll catch you here back next time on Does the Math Make Sense? All right.